How to remove saved password in Facebook. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of menu. Once you are on the menu page, scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you'll see the option of logout. Click on that option. Click on logout. With that, you'll be logged out of your account. Now, how to remove saved password? What you have to do is at the top right corner, you're gonna find three dots. Click on that. You will see the option of remove profile from this device. Click on that option. Now go ahead and click on remove for the Facebook account whose password you don't want to save. You will get the pop-up. Remove account. You will need to enter your phone or email and password the next time you log in. Any entered encrypted messages stored on this device will be deleted. You may not be able to recover these messages if you continue. Click on remove. And just with that, I have removed saved password for that specific account. So this way you can easily remove saved password in Facebook. By applying the same process, you can easily remove saved password for other accounts as well. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.